It might be under Devonta Jackson.
I see it. Okay. Thank you. That's why I have a balance including court costs of $3,031.61. I have an update from my client that Hawk is that they are currently on a waiting list for funding. They're hoping they can make the request soon, and they will reach out when they have more funding and can submit the request.
Okay. But we don't have an idea as to when that's going to happen.
Right.
So are they thinking that it's even going to be before the end of the month, or you don't know?
No. Sorry.
All right. Well,
Your Honor,
yes.
if maybe if the defendants could put some funds into escrow with the court, then it wouldn't necessarily if they can. I mean they're over $3,000 right now.
Right.
You can get that paid down and then any extra put.
Ms. Williams.
Yes, I plan to pay it down as much as I can, but I know I won't be able to pay the whole balance. That's why I was just going to wait on Hawk, because I know July charges are going to come in effect as well soon.
Yes. So let me ask you this. If I ordered you to pay funds into court escrow, how much do you think you can pay?
I could pay $400.
Okay. So let's do this. Give it a chance to try to figure it out. Pay
Drama isn't in the shouting, it's in the pause, the look between the lawyer and the witness, the shuffle of notes, the unspoken panic of realizing the truth just slipped out by accident.
Pay $400 to court escrow. All right. And that means you come down with cash to the court and put it in there. Okay.
Okay.
And so get that in, and then I'll adjourn this out to my next date, the 27th, 2025 at 2 p.m. And then we'll see exactly where we are. I may have to issue a judgment at that time, but at least we'll see. We'll know for sure where we are. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls the case of Hamilton Crossing 1 versus Victoria Bolton. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Victoria Bolton.
Thank you. All right. And where are we on her case?
I have a balance including court costs of $2,237.
All right.
And I made a payment last week as well, and I plan on making one today.
Last week of $300?
Yeah.
Okay, I see that on the ledger.
Okay, was that taken into account?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You said you plan on making another payment?
Yeah, but I feel comfortable putting in escrow right now.
Pardon?
I feel more comfortable putting it in escrow through the court versus giving it to them.
Why?
Because I just have a lot of pending work orders that's from like January. They don't really like repair anything. They told us if it's not an emergency.
So you're gonna put it into escrow?
Well, today I'm gonna do 300.
All right, you need to put $300 into escrow. You need to give a written list to the landlord of those repairs. Okay, that you're saying that are going to be needed.
Okay.
And you're to do that by you're to do that by this Wednesday, the 18th.
Okay.
With a copy of that list to the court.
Okay.
And then I'll adjourn this matter to June 27th, 2025, 2 p.m.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Hamilton Crossing 2 versus Ashley Jordan.
Jillian Ingham for plaintiff.
Ashley Jordan.
I think she did.
She went where?
Just talking with legal services.
Okay.
Drama isn't in the shouting, it's in the pause, the look between the lawyer and the witness, the shuffle of notes, the unspoken panic of realizing the truth just slipped out by accident.
Hello. Your name?
Ashley Jordan.
It's a termination.
Yes, Your Honor.
I have not had a chance to speak with Ms. Engen yet, but I just spoke with Ms. Jordan, and we had spoken before about her situation. And I'm willing to enter an appearance in this case, but I'm hoping that we can work it out with Hamilton Crossing.
Will indicate here that legal services is going to enter an appearance. And what I will do is I'll adjourn this out June 27th, 2025, 2 p.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Hamilton Crossing versus Jessica Jackson. Hamilton Crossing.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Hello.
Hi,
Your name?
Jessica Jackson.
All right. What's plaintiff's claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $1,118.
All right. So she got that $1,000 in. How are you going to get the rest paid?
I have a money order in my car for $500.
You have a money order in your car.
Yes.
Why'd you leave it in your car? No, never mind. Nah, okay. I don't.
Because I had
You
just,
got 500 in the car.
yes, because I had just got paid and I didn't want to be late for court. So,
You didn't want to be late for court?
No.
Oh,
so
It's valid.
that's
Valid.
that's nice. That's nice of you. Okay, so you have 500. Then how long is it going to take to get the rest of that? You got about another
I have to pay Friday. Next Friday.
the 20th next Friday or the 27th?
What's today?
Today's the 13th. So 2 Fridays from now would be the 27th,
Oh, the
and
18th. You said
next Friday's the
the
20th.
20th.
You'll have it paid by the 20th?
Yes.
All right, so what I'm gonna put in here, you pay $500 to the landlord today.
Mhm.
All right, and then I'm gonna mark that you're gonna pay the balance by the 20th. I'll adjourn this matter to June 26, 2025 at 2 p.m. If you've got everything paid, I don't need to see it, not that I wouldn't want to. Okay, before you hurt my feelings and say you don't wanna come see me, all right?
Okay. Thank you.
I'm sorry, it's the 27th then.
27th?
Yeah,
Okay.
next Friday.
Thank you.
All right, or 2 weeks from now. Court calls the case of Hamilton Crossing 2 versus Jeffrey Williams.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
And hello.
Shirley. I'm Shirley Williams.
All right. And what's the claim now?
I have a balance including court costs of $811.
All right. How are
I'll
we
be
gonna
paid
get
on-
that paid?
On the 20th, I'll be paid.
You can pay it all on the 20th?
Mhm.
All right, then I'm gonna put, you're gonna pay 811 on the 20th. I'll adjourn this out to June 27th, 2026, or 25. I don't know why I wanted to, I don't know why. At 2 p.m., okay?
Thank
And
you.
if you're paid, I don't need to see it.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Here, well, let me break in here real quick and try to get Miss Zana now. I think they said they're ready. Are you ready on the Sycamore Meadows cases? Sycamore Meadows versus Erica Jimerson.
Again, Carrie's in.
If truth had a sound, it'd be that awkward shuffle when someone realizes they've said too much. In law, silence isn't golden, it's dangerous. Because silence usually means someone's calculating their next move.
On behalf of plaintiff, Your Honor.
I will go for the Emily Rose, PA.
All right. All right.
Judge,
What
we
are
are
we doing
working
on
to
this
resolve
case?
this. We are trying to work to resolve this. Can we adjourn this to the June 27th date?
Any objection? Case is adjourned June 27th, 2025. What time is it? At 3 p.m.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Sycamore Meadows versus Tyrod LaFleur.
Again, Carrie Zanon on behalf of plaintiff.
Again, Emily Rose, for defense.
All right. What do we want to do? Hello, Miss.
Judge, the same thing as the previous. Can we adjourn this to June 27th?
All right. All right, Mr. LaFleur, I'm going to adjourn your case out to June 27th, 2025, 3 p.m. Okay. All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a wonderful weekend. Happy Father's Day.
You do the same. Were you ready? Court recalls the case of Arbor Meadows versus Jaden Ruth. Jake Winnie.
Good afternoon again, Your Honor. Michael Burns, P87855 on behalf of plaintiff.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Tish Lee, I will be entering my
Robin Root.
behalf of Ms. Root.
All right.
And I believe counsel and I have agreed that we are going to submit a new conditional order of dismissal in this case with some additional protections for the defendant in that she will be required to maintain the home site in accordance with rules and regulations of the park for 12 months until June 10th, 2026. But if plaintiff alleges that there has been a violation of those rules and regulations, they will notify us as counsel and Ms. Root and give us an opportunity to respond and object and have a hearing.
Is that basically it, counsel?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Are you guys going to put that together? And
I'm going to draft a conditional order of dismissal this afternoon, Your Honor.
all right. Then I'll adjourn this out to June 27th, 2025 at 3 p.m. If you guys have that, then I can enter it if both sides are represented by counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case of Huron Vista Apartments versus Sabria Williams.
Abraham on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. I believe we needed a ledger, and Ms. Ingen is going to give me one today, Your Honor, so that we can have time, so we can get an updated amount and get that paid, Judge. So I believe opposing counsels will consent to an adjournment of 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Honor, we're happy to adjourn. And for the record, the court, the total balance, including court costs, is $478.
$478.
Yes.
June 27, 2025.
Thank you, Judge.
2 p.m.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court does call the case of Huron Vista versus Alicia Moore.
Jillian Ingen for plaintiff.
Alicia Moore. Not checked in. Would you like to take it to vote?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
All right. I don't think I've sworn you in. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is a case for non-payment of rent. I have rent to retain possession of $4,485, court cost of $176, for a total of $4,661. Plaintiff is requesting a default judgment for possession only with a writ to issue after July 5th.
July 5th.
2025, Your Honor. We're going to set this aside if if Ms. Moore pays $1,661 on or before July 5th, then we will set this judgment aside.
Gotcha. Judgment to the plaintiff. That is by default for possession. Redemption amount is in the amount requested with the writ to issue as indicated July 5th.
Sorry.
Court does call the case of Huron Vista versus Jacqueline Taylor.
Jillian Ingen for plaintiff.
Hello.
Jacqueline Taylor.
Good afternoon.
Okay, she's here. Your name, please?
Jacqueline Taylor.
Thank you. All right. Where are we on?
Your Honor, I have a balance including court costs of $2,413.03. I believe that we are looking to enter, I believe that Ms. Taylor is participating.
Courtrooms aren't quiet. They hum. A mix of tension, whispers, and someone's pen nervously clicking. It's not just paperwork happening here. It's lives being rewritten in real time, one sentence at a time.
In the forgiveness plan.
Okay.
We'll be drafting a conditional order of dismissal.
All right. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. Do you want me to adjourn this out?
Please, Your Honor, to the 27th.
Okay, ma'am. I'll adjourn your case to June 27th, 2025 at 2 p.m. All right?
Yes, sir.
All right. And hopefully we'll have everything all resolved by then. All right. Take care.
Okay. Thank you. You as well.
Court does call the case of Huron Vista Apartments versus Danielle Davis.
Plaintiff.
Danielle Davis has not checked in. You may proceed.
Okay. Your Honor, I believe that this is a motion hearing.
This is a motion to set aside default. Danielle Davis, defendant having failed to appear. Motion to set aside is denied.
Your Honor, may I ask, is there escrow in this matter?
Yes, we have $500 in escrow.
Okay,
So escrow to plaintiff.
thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case of New Park Ridge Apartments versus Alana Armstead.
Jillian, you may complete that.
Hello,
Hello, Ms. Armstead. How are you?
I'm good, and sir.
Good. All right. Where are we on this case?
I have a balance including costs of $1,575. Ms. Armstead and I did discuss briefly this matter. She's going to make another payment of $300. Is that correct?
Yeah.
And then she's getting assistance.
Through the Breeze program, through Michigan Works.
Through what?
The Breeze program, through Michigan Works.
Okay. So she's gonna, when are you gonna pay the 300?
Today.
Today. All right. So you're gonna pay the 300 and then you're gonna get assistance that you think will take care of the whole thing?
Yes.
All right. So let me adjourn this out to June 27th, 2025 at 2 p.m. for you to, see if all that comes through.
All right, thank you.
All right. Thank you. Court does call the case of New Park Ridge Apartments versus Karina Jones. Ms. Jones?
Yes, I'm here. I'm trying
Okay,
to do my video and stuff.
What'd you say?
I was trying to do my video.
No,
I'm
you
here.
got it. Okay.
Gina, come
All
on.
right, where are we on this case?
I have a balance including court cost of $1,901.
All right. And ma'am, how are you intending on getting that paid?
Right now I'm going through Hawk. I'm trying to figure, I've turned in all my documentation, so I'm basically waiting on a response.
You're waiting on a response from Hawk?
Yes.
Okay. No, do you have any notes regarding that?
I do not, I'm sorry.
All right. Okay, ma'am, what I'll do, we'll give them time to see if there's going to be a response. I'll adjourn this to June 27th, 2025 at 2 p.m. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You too. Here.
Let's call the case of New Park Ridge Apartments versus Precious Terman.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Yep. Somehow I knew Precious was in the house. Come on. Hello, what's your name?
Precious Terman.
All right. And what's the claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $4,954.
All right. How are you intending on getting that?
Honestly, I feel like the whole process is a fluke because I'm low income and my rent is really only like $180 or something like that. And they're charging me market rent because they said that my recertification wasn't complete in a timely manner, which it was supposed to be done in January. I have been here 8 years and never have I had that completed in January due to the lack of them telling me what paperwork to turn in. I'll turn in a paper, they'll come back and tell me I need another paper.
Have you spoken to legal services at all?
I have not.
I'll give you an opportunity to speak to legal services since you're indicating that it's
Yeah, 500 of this balance is coming from them trying to charge me for my security deposit, which again, I've been there 8 years.
okay. I don't know that. I don't have a ledger in front of me.
I have one.
But okay, that's not gonna help me right now. So what I'm gonna do is I want you to at least reach out to legal services, or actually president in the courtroom, and talk to them.
Okay.
I will adjourn this out to June 27th, 2025 at 2 p.m. All right, thank you. Court does call the case of Peninsula Place Apartments versus Jacqueline Gardner. Gardner?
Yes, hi.
Hi, how you doing? I'll
I'm
need
okay.
a camera if you can.
Okay, one second.
All right, what's the plaintiff's claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $2,406.06.
Okay, $2,406.06.
Yes, sir.
All right. And Ms. Gardner, how are you intending on getting that paid?